What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another breakdown video here on EUR USD. So I'll be breaking down the sell positions that we took, the reason why we took them. So we're here on the daily time frame. You will notice here on the daily time frame that price has been in this bearish market for days now, days after days. I also saw this chart pattern that price gave us, a head and shoulders pattern, right shoulder. Price broke the neckline. This is the neckline here, and price pulled back for a retest. As you can see, clean head and shoulders pattern. So on the daily time frame, I'm noticing that head and shoulders pattern. Price gave me a confirmation here that it was going to continue pushing downwards. Here on this daily candlestick, it closed with a bearish engulfing candlestick. Confirmation for us to keep looking for sells. So here on the 4-hour time frame, you see things a little bit cleaner. On the 4-hour time frame, you notice that price was forming higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we had a break of structure here. These candlesticks you see here is the same with this daily bearish engulfing candlestick. So that's the same here, which broke structure. Price formed a lower low, lower high, and continue forming bearish market structure. So when we go to the 1-hour time frame, you also notice here on the 1-hour time frame, price gave this head and shoulders pattern. Price gave this head and shoulders pattern, and we've been calling sales here on EUR USD since last week. Let's go to the Telegram channel. You see that price, before price melted, I called out this head and shoulders pattern here. As you can see, super clean. Price did the exact thing, head and shoulders. So now coming to the trades that we took. Sells, obviously, because we are in sellers market. You notice that price has been forming this market structure here. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So our first entry was at this point here, this area here. I noticed that price rejected our Fibonacci golden zone. I drew my Fibonacci from this push to where price exhausted and started to pull back, because when you look at the 4-hour time frame, you notice that price broke this level of support here aggressively, and also had a level of support that this 4-hour candlestick closed below it. Let's go to the daily time frame. It's a daily level of support. The 4-hour time frame closed below, and I also saw that this 1-hour time frame rejected that level and closed back inside. That was when I started looking for sells. Drew my Fibonacci from the swing high, this push here, to the swing low. Golden zone was rejected, so I was looking for sells. I saw an entry confirmation on the 5-minute time frame. If you look closely, you notice that price gave us this head and shoulders pattern. Right shoulder. Price broke the neckline, formed a double top, and it was on the close of this candlestick that I executed. It closed aggressively with a bearish candlestick. enter somewhere there, and I aimed for 2 times my risk. Aim for 2 times my risk. So that was the first entry there. Another thing that I saw that made me enter this sales was our RSI. Price was forming higher highs here on the RSI. When you look at the candlesticks, price was forming lower highs. So that there is a bearish hidden divergence. Signals that price is going to continue pushing downwards. So that was what I saw for the first entry. Now for the second entry, I was expecting a pullback. Let's go to the Telegram. I was expecting a pullback. So here, I was expecting this pullback. This was the first entry. Clean. Take profit was smashed. So here I was expecting a pullback. I said I'll be looking for more sell opportunities here on EURUSD if price goes back to that resistance zone, which will then form a double top. As you can see on the 15-minute and on the 30-minute time frame, price did exactly that. You can see price pushed back, created a double top before melting, because we already had a resistance level here. The price has a higher probability of respecting this resistance than coming all the way here, than coming all the way to this level before melting. So we're expecting that double top. Price give that double top. I'm seeing that price has started to reject. That was when I now went to the 5-minute time frame to see what price was doing. Let's remove this. See what price was doing. So I noticed that price here on the 5-minute time frame created this lower low, lower high, lower low, then broke structure. So we had this break of structure here, higher high. But unknowing that here is a resistance level that I'm looking for sales, price left this bearish engulfing candlestick here on the 5-minute time frame. So that was where I took the first position, and stop loss was above that candlestick, that bearish engulfing candlestick. So me knowing that price here created a higher high, that here would be a possible higher low. I was expecting price to pull back to create equal high or a double top. So the confirmation I had was this candlestick now that closed with a bearish engulfing candlestick, this one. That was when I took the second position. Took the second position with stop loss above, just like right here. Stop loss above. This was the first position on the Telegram that I posted. First position here, and the second one on that double top that price created. Then for our take profits, I was aiming for that daily, was it daily or weekly? I think it was the weekly level of support. Yeah, this weekly support level here. I drew my trend line there. That was where I targeted for my take profits. For my take profit. So that was the reason why we took that sell. And also, if you look at the RSI, you notice we also here had a bearish hidden divergence. Here on the RSI, as you can see, if you follow through here, price was forming higher highs here on the RSI, but on the candlestick, price was forming lower highs. Bearish hidden divergence. So that was the reason why I called that out sell signal there. That was where we executed. We had all our confirmations and take profit was smashed. I think with the first entry we had a total of 7%, risking 1% per trade. The first entry was a 1 to 2, the second one was a 1 to 2, the third one was a 1 to 3. If you were to follow this exact placement here, 7% in just that simple move. So hopefully you guys gain something from this breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. You can kindly share with your fellow traders. Let's get to 100 subscribers. We're currently around 20 subscribers. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.